President Macy on this terrific Tuesday, December 17th. Hope you're doing well today. Let's jump into today's announcements. You'll have, I'll send your exam to you on Thursday. You can take it Thursday and Friday or over Christmas break if you want. That's up to you. You have nothing to turn in. You have no incompletes. Now today, we're going to continue to review for the exam, Macy. So here's the video I want you to watch, and that's all you have to do. Okay? Now let's go over your test from over the weekend. This is going to surprise you. You left quite a few blank on your test. However, there were so many questions and so many fill in the blanks. Each mistake was only 1 point off. Okay? So you did make a 91, and with the review sheet it was a 96. Okay? So let's go over your test. Here we go. Now at number 22, you missed Y. Now please look at what you did. You said that here it is. 2 times 60 is 120, thus Y has to be 60. But if you'll think about it, now remember, this is a parallelogram, Macy, so listen to me. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. So yes, you were right to do this. And to get 40, that was fine, okay? But you cannot say that these two angles here are congruent. Now, yes, these angles here are congruent, but these two here are supplementary. So remember, in a parallelogram, consecutive angles, that means angles that are side by side, they are supplementary. So you should have taken this angle here plus this angle here and add together, they equal 180. Now bring your 120 over and make it negative, and you're left with this right here. Divide both sides by 2, and Y equals 30. Okay? Alright, hope that makes sense. Now, okay, this one here is fine. Let's look at 24 here. Okay, now watch this, Macy. Okay, now LP right here is this. Okay, PN is this. Now look, we know we have a parallelogram because this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. So remember, if you have a parallelogram, then we always know that the diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so that means this segment's congruent to this segment, and this segment is congruent to this segment. So when I know that this segment here is this, and this segment here is this, and I know they're equal, then I can simply take this 5y minus 1 and set it equal to 4y plus 7. Bring your 4y over, make it negative. Bring your 1 over, make it positive. 5y minus 4y is y. 7 plus 1 is 8. So y equals 8. Now, look at this. I tell you what OP is, and that's this length. I tell you what PM is, and that's this length. Well, remember, this segment here is congruent to this segment here. So that means this is congruent to this. So I can definitely state that 3y plus 6 equals x. Now that's two variables, except I know what y equals. Y equals 8. So where the y is, and I'm just going to do that in my head, where the y is, I can put 8, and 3 times 8 is 24. Do you see that okay? Y equals 8, so where the y is, I'm going to put in 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 plus 6 is 30. So x equals 30. Okay? Now, next problem here. Okay, now we know this is a rhombus because I have 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, and 1 mark. And may see the definition of a rhombus is a 4-sided figure with 4 congruent sides, and we have 4 congruent sides, so we know it's a rhombus. Now remember, in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect the angles, so that means this angle here is going to be congruent to this angle here because this diagonal cuts this big angle in half. This diagonal here cuts this angle in half. This diagonal here cuts that angle in half. And this line here cuts this angle in half. Okay? So students, with that in mind, I know this, or not students, sorry, Macy, I was looking at a text my wife just got from a student at Berea. I've got to help. But anyways, Macy, so this angle here, which is this, is congruent to this angle here, which is this. So if they're congruent, then I can simply say 8x minus 3 equals 5x plus 6. Set them equal, bring that over, negative 5x, bring that 3 over, make it positive, and we get 3x equals 9. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 3. Alright, now moving on to number 26. This was a really tough problem, but it was reasonable. SP is this, and QR is this. Now, obviously, there's an arc here and an arc here, so they're congruent, and you got that right. So x equals 5. Now, here's where it gets tough. I tell you TQ is Y, okay? And TR is 8. And I want you to solve for Y. That's a tough problem. But watch this carefully, please. Watch this. Remember, we've learned that in a rhombus, and this is a rhombus because all 4 sides are congruent, the diagonals are always perpendicular. Always, okay? So, this triangle right here, watch this carefully, Macy, is a right triangle because these diagonals are perpendicular. So I've got a right triangle. This length here is y, this length here is 8, and this length is 2x, but x is 5, so 2 times 5 is 10. Do you see what to do now, Macy? Pythagorean's theorem, length squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. One leg is y, the other leg is 8, and the hypotenuse is 10. So, I have leg squared plus 64 equals 100. Bring the 64 over and make it negative. L squared equals 100 minus 64 is 36. Take the square root of both sides, and L equals 6, okay? Or that's y, actually, y equals 6. Okay? That was a pretty tough problem. Now, here, this was great. Your proof was great. And the only thing here, if you have a rectangle, I'm not sure what happened here, but if this is a rectangle, which it is, then you know all of these angles are 90, right? So for some reason you said x equals 90, but x is right here, 2x minus 10, right? So I know that 2x minus 10 has to equal 90. Okay, this whole angle here has to equal 90. So bring the 10 over, make it a positive 10. 2x equals 100. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals 50. Okay, so I hope that helps a little bit. That's all for today, Macy. Please get to work on your review. Have a great day. And by the way, you did well on your test. A 96 is a very good job. Contact me if you have any questions at all.